How to insert a text box in Google Sheets. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your spreadsheet, then here, go to insert. After that, go to drawing. After it opens, simply add a text box here like this. And then you can use a border also like this. You can color it, adjust the size, and yeah, that's it. Go to save and close, and now your text box is here. You can place it wherever you want. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.